Hi Sanjog. So this is an existing issue. So I'm not sure if this needs to be fixed or it's going to be like this. So I checked this on live. The behavior is same. So what is happening? I mean, user can uh, save the entity. So in this case, it's division without mandatory custom field, and the field type is attachment. So if I remove this, so this is the mandatory attachment custom field, and I uploaded one file here. Now I'm going to remove this, and when I try to save and close, it's giving me an error message, which is fine. But if I simply close this and reopen this file is getting removed. I mean, I think when we remove file from this using this delete icon, it's getting removed, and it's not possible to return that. I think that's how it is designed. So let me know if it can be fixed or it will be like this only. Thank you.